Go, Miles. Picture lang pala. Kala ko yung uwi mo ko.
Si Daddy.
Bakit? Ang nangyari?
Heart attack. I need you here, Laila. I need you here right now.
Sorry I'm sorry. Sorry. Hindi kita nasasanahan siya. Wala ako siya. Sorry.
Hi! See you later, guys. Mamaya sa sa headquarters Super Club dito sa Jensen. Yung mga taga Jensen dyan. See you. Salamat. Inahit mo kilay mo. Ahit mo talaga kilay ko. Nanonood ako kay Sarah.
Nay, sandali lang po ako doon, Nay. Kailangan na po talaga ako ni Miggy to, Nay. Sorry po. Sorry, Nay. Sorry po. Nay, naman.
Ano primer mo? One size. Para kahit anong init, kahit anong pawis, matutuyo lang siya. Ay hindi ka nauhulas.
Laila.
Di ba?
Laila, sandali. Sandali. It's not what you think. Hey, it's not what you think.
This is not what you think.
Akala ko iba ka.
Anong name niyan? Oil Sucker.
Tingnan mo ang pogi, oh. Saan? Ayoko. Asus! Pogi pa rin si X-ray, Kuya Miggy. Bakit? Sus! Kulang ka lang sa tsokolate. Oh, heto. Hay na Olio. Mas okay naman na iba yung nakikita ko dyan, no? Mas pogi naman yung isa ID mo. Naku, dito talaga ang mundo. Iba na talaga ang
Hindi nga sana ako magla-live pero
Ano yan sa mga Montenegro? Yan ang kanan nila. Mas pogi pa rin si X-ray, Kuya Miggy. Bakit? Dino. Tama na. Pagod na ate mo.
Pero ate, tanong ko lang, pag nagkita kayo ulit, anong unang mong gagawin?
Sasampalin.
Pwede, manin.
Sus! Kayo
Map-
naman eh.
pautot. Ano?
Ano po ang gagawin namin?
Napautot ako sa price niya.
Ano?
Diba? Tapos sinasabayan ko siya ng one size din na
Sasabihin ko sa'yo.
Secure the Blur.
Hindi lahat may happy ending sa totoong buhay. Okay? Tandaan mo yan.
Talaga?
Really? Yes.
Ganun lang yun?
Oo, ganun yun.
Sasabak sa traffic. Focus muna. Yes. Out. Focus na yung person mo na.
Pa-shoutout ako para hindi mas pansino. Shout out. Shout out, Charis. Halo-halo yung brush ko ngayon, tsaka yung mga ano ko.
As early as 9 years old.
Eddie, shout out. Diday, hi.
Mas mahalaga lang mo. Health guard against HPV today.
Ganda mo sa Meet the Queens. Thank you. Salamat po.
Mark, can you go there? Miguel, stay. We have to tell you something. Okay?
Anton Ortega wants to buy Montego.
Then don't sell. Is that all, Art?
Hindi ganun kadali yun. He's more aggressive than usual. And the board is considering his offer.
Oh wait, Art. I don't see the problem. We can vote. And tell the guy, hey Anton, it's a no. Right?
Miguel, that is the problem. We may not have enough votes to help them prevent Cell Monticom.
Bakit? I mean, we have...
Mayroon magpalang.
We are, Ate Alice, Ate Anya, ako.
The board wants you out. They're pressuring Art to remove you from the equation. Wala na silang tiwala sa'yo.
Ate,
What? He needs to hear the truth. Miguel, we do not want to lose Montecom. Wala na sa atin ang airline. Yun na lang ang meron tayo. And if you can't get your act together, mangyayari yun. We need to convince them to keep you in the board. Or else, they can easily sell everything that Dad built.
So this is still about the huge investment I lost 3 years ago.
Nabili ko to sa US. Sa US pa to nabili ko. Yung nag-LA ako. Sa Sephora.
Miguel, you've always dreamed of expanding Philippines. Of taking it abroad.
Wala siya dito sa Pilipinas.
I think this is the perfect time to do it. There's a way to set
Diba?
things right again. She just arrived in
Ang ganda talaga lapat pag maganda yung prime.
and she'll be reporting for work tomorrow.
Alright.
And I hope you'll be here too.
Good morning, sir. Pinapa-remind lang po, Sir Art. Hindi niyo po try na magtalas at 9:30. Thank you po.
Inday, gising na! Gising na gising!
Laida Magtalas 2.0.
Ang chismis pumalpak na naman daw kaya binalik dito.
Demotion? Bakit? Hindi na lang siya dun sa labanan niya sa Laguna. O una pag magsaka yung kasi sa atin. Miguel.
Alam na ba niya?
Ano na?
The current state of the company that I've been demoted.
All she knows is that
Hi.
we want to expand.
Hello everyone. Kamusta naman kayo?
License of the magazine where she used to work.
This is Med, not Bachelor.
Parang consultant daw eh.
Mukhang wala na talaga tiwala sa kanya yung mga kapatid niya sa kakawaldas din naman nila. Kaya ngayon binigyan siya ng consultant. Ewan ko nila kung pumalpak pa yan.
Sino na yung bagong consultant ni darating na yan?
Friday daw, sabi ng HR. Laida, si Laida magkalat. Yung ex ni Sir Mickey na ngayon, kabangpangan ni Lisbeth.
What's up mga diday?
Gawin naman. Papasok na ako sa opisina. Siguro naman, work best na raw.
I'll see you in a while.
Thank you, G.
I'll be waiting. Hey! Look who's back! Zoila! Zoila! It is! My favorite artist!
Ano na Ruiz?
It's already!
You're
Wow! Ari, gusto mo kayo? Huh? Is this my office?
Hi.
Sir, Miss McTaggart is coming out na po.
Thank you, Ras.
Gagawin pa yata tayong human shield.
Ano lens mo, Kuma? Hindi ko alam na, kalimutan ko na to kung anong lens to. Basta maganda. Maganda siya.
Hey,
You should see the look on all their faces.
Kung si Matilda nagtitipid sa concealer sa ganto.
This is a good morning. Welcome back to Flivage Mix.
Ako,
So I heard there's big news today.
super tipid.
Let's have it.
Ubus na rin kasi to eh.
Good morning.
As you can all see, I have someone with me who looks familiar to most of you guys. Straight from New York, Miss Laida Morales. She'll be working hand in
Anong
hand
foundation mo, ma?
in overseeing the creation of the new magazine. Well, of course, you know my brother, the publisher
Stroke.
of Rich Publishing, Mickey Montenegro.
Of course.
and so you're back.
Oh yes.
Yes, I'm back.
Well, welcome back to Flippage, Miss Natalas.
You can call me
Ano,
that.
Laida? Parang wala man tayong pinagsamahan.
Paano naman wala tayo pinagsamahan?
Bernie, san ka? Nandito ako ngayon sa Jensen.
Baka gusto mo pakilala yung mga editors natin.
Of course.
May show ako ngayon dito sa Jensen sa may...
Yes.
Let me introduce to you my...
Saan po? Sa...
Hello, Sir Hagman.
Sa HQ.
That's Russell. Mercado Nancy.
Okay, Russell.
Sa headquarters Super Club.
Andy will be happy to meet you, Nancy.
Hello.
I got the clothes, the shoes, the hair, and loving you already.
You want to be my new best friend?
Can I continue?
Yeah, go on.
That's Tara from...
Hello.
Hi, Tara. Nice to meet you.
And over here is Carlo. Carlo handles bachelor's guys.
What happens to Mom?
Mon got married and may baby.
Ay, kalaki mo money. Good for him.
Memory. And of course...
Ano pong concealer nyo?
Hey guys, John Ray, Vincent, Zoila.
Um,
I missed you guys so much.
Come on, go
Tibian.
Later.
And this is Belle. Of course you know Belle.
Of course.
Of course I know that.
I miss you too, Daday.
Hi, Belle.
See you.
Laida.
See you soon, Daday.
Nice to see you again.
Ituloy mo na yung racket natin, Daday. Push na natin yan.
So, who's excited to hear about this expansion? I'm sure Laida will be happy to give us some background. Shall we start working?
Let's do it. 78 million. May makakapagsabi ba sa akin kung anong numbers na yan?
Your salary in pesos.
Wow. I didn't know na ganyan pala kalaki ang worth ko sa'yo.
Miss Montenegro.
I'm flattered. But of course, Mickey's wrong. Wish ko lang yan ang sweldo ko, di ba? That figure represents the number of readers this magazine reaches worldwide. MET. MET, short for metamorphosis, transformation. This is the crown jewel of Empire. Now, I'm sure we're all aware that this magazine is the #1 magazine for women worldwide.
Thank you, salamat.
Association with them can get you to places. Ang dami mo tututunan, ang dami mo pipitahan. But of course,
Ma-feeling ko yung Installation Royal yung magpapaiyak sa akin.
now imagine
Umiyak ka na ngayon, be.
opportunities na pwede mag-usay sa Philippines.
Iyak ka ba?
Nakuha natin ang MET and Weekly Comics
Iyak ka na, be.
here in the Philippines. Yeah.
That's why I brought in Lida. She will help us broker a deal with Empire Media Corporation. That's Met's publisher.
Ano ko nga ulit doon?
Editorial coordinator.
Editorial coordinator.
Easy. Isang letter lang ang pinagkaiba sa...
Thank you.
Right? But basically, it's the same job, right? Different title lang. Sana Gambia. How can a glorified EA broker a deal between our company and one of the leading media corporations worldwide?
Connections. Connections we don't have.
How sure are you na wala kami nun?
Di sana, wala ako dito.
Hindi ako itatanong ko eh. If you're such a big shot in New York, why settle for a company like ours?
Excuse me. As far as I remember, I think you're something balik. So I assumed that you need me. And you know me, me.
I have heart for the needy. Dahil ubos na yung concealer ko, ay yung ano ko,
You know, I think
bronzer ko. Ito muna yung gagamitin ko.
Then entrust the future of our company.
Trust.
Wow! Big word!
Sige nga, Mr. Montenegro.
Let's talk about trust.
Let's talk about trust.
Oo, be, huwag kayong pumayag. Cheers.
With all due respect, sir, I don't think Mr. Montenegro values what I can bring into this company. Ayoko naman yung pagpilitan ng sarili ko, hindi naman po pala sa kailangan. Now, if you'll excuse me,
Thank you for the opportunity. Kami na panood mo, si Lida Magtalas 2.0.
What was that? I get you, Art. I just can't.
Sarah G ka naman. Yes.
I'm sorry. Pero hindi mo pwede magkatrabaho. Babagsak lahat sa personalan. And I don't want to be reminded of that every day.
Okay. You're right. You don't have to do this. I might have pushed you too far. Thank you for even trying.
Why are you so kind to me?
Why are you so kind to me?
What?
Saan ganap? Nandito ako ngayon sa Jensen. Be. May show ako ngayon dito sa Jensen. Sama ka. Sa HQ bar.
Ay, ano ba?
Oh my mother. Tour you.
ayaw mo na naman ako makatrabaho, di ba? Bakit? Okay, bye!
Malapit lang may dyan. Tara na! Let's go! Sa go! Dali, magpapa-free meet and greet ako today. Free. Sa iba may bayad yan. Be. Mahal kita, Diday, rooting for you. Station, thank you. Salamat. But don't expect too much.
Sabihin mo na kailangan mo ako.
Bahala sila.
Ay,
Ganyan ako kabait. Sa iba may bayad dyan.
kaya nang wala ka, Laila.
Kaya tara na yung mga taga Jensen dyan. Anong Jensen lang ba to? Malapit?
Alin?
Saan pa yung mga malalapit na lugar dito?
Like city?
Oo. Yung mga taga CDO. Layo. Malayo ba CDO dito? Because if yung manonood ako ng Sarah G movie.
Okay.
9 hours? Seryoso?
Excuse me, where was I speak? Ay, dito po, ma'am.
9 hours daw ang CDO dito. Gayo naman, sira kayo neches nyo ako ha. Kayo pinaglalaroan nyo na naman ako ha, porket wala akong alam sa mga lugar. Hoy, kayo wag yung masyadong pinaglalaroan si Katkat sa live niya ha.
7 hours by drive. CDO
Nandun ako sa live. Napanood niyo yung live ni Katkat? Nanonood ako sa live ni Katkat. Pinaglalaroan nila si Katkat. May tanong doon sa kanya, kay Katkat. Naging jowa mo ba si Moises? Gago? Si bakla naman patola. Ay, nandiyan si Carlito. Ano yung Carlito? Ano yung Mars? Mars, parang di naman masyadong maitim, no? No? Tingnan mo naman Mars. Pantay yan, Mars. Ako pa ba, Mars?
Cotabato.
Oo, nasa HQ ako, be. Oo, HQ. Ano ba meaning na HQ? Di ba ano?
Headquarters.
Headquarters ng mga